Hello, friends. Um, Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are analyzing the SQL. Uh, we are analyzing the data in SQL using SQL Server. Right now, we have data in the database like this. We have this data as a customer. We have a product data right here, and we have a sales data. Right. I have a target. Right. I have given myself a target to um, work on each topics, right, including everything. Select where clause and or in not in between like null handling district top order by count some. I mean all the topics I need to cover in this data set, right? I have the data ready, and now um, when we have the data, I need to perform all these operations. Conditional op- conditional and comparison operators, low value transactions, bulk purchase transactions, exact quantity analysis, premium transaction review, everything. Basically, I am um, keeping myself in that condition where I don't need to think much before analyzing the query, analyzing the data. I want to be perfect in requirement understanding. So that is why I have taken a challenge of solving all these problems without even having answers from ChatGPT or any other platform, right? So I have already solved one question right here. Um, Actually, this was asking about the procurement team wants to review products with the listed price greater than 5,000. So I write this query, but I forgot using order by clause because I did not see this requirement. So this is why it said um, it fails in the very first response, and then again I added this order by clause, then it says passed. Now I'm trying to solve another scenario based questions where the sales manager wants to identify transactions where the transaction amount is less than 1000. Transaction means sales. So I definitely got to know that I have to work on the sales data set to find the date, product ID, customer ID, quantity, and amount. Let's solve this question. I have a date table here. Select star from sales, right? So I have all the records right here. Now I have to write a query to solve this business requirement. All right. Now transaction ID is a date ID. Product ID means prod ID. Customer ID means cust ID. Quantity means QTY, and amount from sales, right? Now identify transactions where the transaction amount is less than 1000. Use where clause to filter the records where amount is less than 1000, right? Now I have all the records less than 1000, but there is a negative values as well, which we will solve later. Now it is saying that Sort by amount from lowest to highest. For sorting, definitely we all knows that we have to use order by, because order by is the key where we can sort in ascending or descending orders. Use order by amount, right? So order by amount, lowest to highest means ascending to descending, ASC, right? Now let's see if this is failed or passed. If it is failed, then because of the negative amounts, then we have to add one more conditions: greater than 0 and less than 1000, right? But because we have only the requirement is less than 1000, then it may be passed, right? Your query correctly satisfies scenario 2, low value transactions. Proceed with scenario 3, bulk purchase transactions.